Shifting focus now to some breaking news that's coming in, and weeks after the parliament breach that we saw, we're now given to understand that Delhi court has allowed a polygraph test to be conducted on all accused except one of them, which is Neelam. The court has also allowed for brain mapping and narco test of two of the accused, Manoranjan and Sagar. This is the latest that is coming to the fore as far as the parliament breach that we saw in Lok Sabha towards the end of the winter session of parliament, where several people barged into the well of the house, sprayed a smoke bomb. They were all arrested and in custody. Now we're given to understand that Delhi court has given approval for the Delhi police's demand of a polygraph test on all the accused. Ananya, my colleague, now joining us, getting us more details. Ananya, why exactly did the Delhi police seek this approval? What are they trying? What was the argument that they made in court? Why they need to conduct this brain mapping or the narco testing of these accused?
Well, definitely the Delhi police informed the court that there is some kind of a subsequent development that has happened in this particular investigation, and that is the reason why, in fact, the polygraph test of all of the 6 accused person is necessary in this particular case. However, accused Neelam, rejected that she didn't give her consent for this particular test, and that's the reason why court didn't give permission to conduct a polygraph test on Neelam. However, for the other 2 accused, that is Manoranjan and in fact one other accused, Sagar, they consented to even a narco and brain mapping being conducted. Remember that the Delhi police have sought for the brain mapping and narco tests of these 2 persons. But Poonam, this is a very, very crucial test that are being conducted, though they do not hold a lot of evidentiary value, but they can prove to be a very, very great circumstantial evidence, and the Delhi police can actually draw their prosecution story, draw their prosecution case against these particular persons, and can use these tests and what is said in these tests as a circumstantial evidence. Though these tests do not have a lot of evidentiary value, but they can definitely be proving as a tool to amplify the probe of the Delhi police in this particular case. Remember that this is these tests are conducted in cases where breakthroughs are a little difficult. Though all of these accused persons have been arrested, there needs to be a proper prosecution case that needs to be established. And to create a watertight case, the Delhi police has now taken this decision to conduct these particular tests. What will come out in these tests is something that we'll have to wait and watch for the charge sheets to come in this particular case. But definitely a big development coming in when it comes to the parliament security breach.
Absolutely. Approvals coming in for the demands that were made by the Delhi police as far as that case goes. For the moment, Ananya, thank you so much for getting us the latest.